is retesting this. You see this yellow zone here? This whole yellow zone is the sweet spot from the biggest swing that was previously. So this swing, no, sorry, this swing here, boom. So this is the sweet spot, and if we zoom in again, gold is testing it from underneath while testing the 20-day EMA. But the more important thing is that it's inside, it's stuck, it's ranging in the demand zone. This is the demand zone, for you that don't know, that are new to the stream. So in between these red lines, the market, the price is stuck. And like I said yesterday, this is no trade zone. So we need to see a breakout either above or below. So we thought we saw a breakout yesterday, but that was more of a fake out because it didn't even come up all the way to the sweet spot. So now what I'm waiting for a clear confirmation on a breakout underneath here or above. So we want to break out first the 20-day EMA and then the demand zone. All right, so sorry, I cited